Welcome to the e-commerce clothing chatbot preview. This intelligent shopping assistant is designed to make exploring fashion collections effortless, personalized, and completely hassle-free. The interaction begins with a warm welcome message followed by a main menu featuring 7 options: browse products, search products, view cart, contact support, feedback, store policies, and offers and deals. These are standard industry options, but they can be fully customized based on your business needs and requirements. When the user selects offers and deals, the chatbot immediately displays exclusive discounts and curated fashion offers. After choosing a specific deal and selecting Order Now, the bot prompts the user to enter the desired quantity. Once the quantity is submitted, the bot sends an instant confirmation message. The user can then move to the View Cart section, where a clear order summary is displayed along with 2 convenient options: adjust quantity to add more items or remove item to update the cart. When the user proceeds to checkout, they are guided to a clean and simple checkout screen. After entering the required details, the order is placed successfully, followed by a final confirmation message. This chatbot delivers a smooth, modern, and highly user-friendly shopping experience, from browsing offers to completing the final purchase. Now that we've explored the chatbot preview, let's look at how to install a template in ihakimi. From the dashboard, navigate to the template store. Here, you will find a wide range of multi-industry templates. Select the template you would like to install and you will be taken to the installation screen. On this page, you will see a short summary of the template and its basic content. Click Next Step to continue. In the next step, you can either choose an existing bot or create a new one. After selecting the bot, copy the template you want to install and click Create Bot. A new folder containing the installed template will automatically appear inside your selected or newly created bot. Now, let's step inside the flow builder. This is where our start node resides, the point from which every chatbot conversation begins. From here, we access the welcome node and the main menu options, all of which can be customized based on your business needs. Each menu option opens its own individual flow. Within these flow, you can get products, show products, and perform operations on cart. This structure makes it easy to create rich, interactive, and fully customizable chatbot experiences. And that completes our walkthrough of the e-commerce clothing chatbot template, installation process, and flow builder overview.